Okay, this is now day 21 of writing an open source office in Java in 30 days. My name is Anthony Guba, and today we're going to talk about printing. So we're going to add print support to our office. So printing in the NetBeans application framework, it's quite easy. Actually, it's easier than I thought it would be. So what you basically just need to do is to add a client property to the element you want to print. If this property is set, then it just has the printable swing component, and then it will print this component. So here, for example, we're doing printing of the spreadsheet. So we just, when printing the spreadsheet, we just want to print the table with it. So you just set this client property, set it to any object, I think would be okay. So I've chosen for Boolean true. And then it sees this object as printable. And you see, this is a standard print menu of the NetBeans application framework. It's suddenly enabled. And if you click print of it, you come into the print preview of that will show your swing element. And you'll have options to decide for the headers and the footers. So here is a whole view. So our table is quite big. So we'll see later maybe if we can reduce it. And now if you click on print options there, also it's included in the NetBeans application framework. You can set the print header, footer. You have a lot of different options like include the name of the files, the print page, and so on. You can also zoom in and zoom out to it, or have a fit to page. So here is a zoom. You see it's can print bigger, can have it print to page. You also have another button in the preview where you can define the page setup. So if you wanted the size, portrait, landscape, and the margins of it. And here we are. For example, I've added the printable support also to the I think this one was for presentation layer. So just added it to the panel that does the slides. And you see now the slide printed in a XPS file. So, and this one was done in landscape mode. So just by adding this property, I can do now printing this office in the spreadsheet, in the text document. You can also print the database, what you're seeing. It's just also a JTable. The presentation, so you've seen I've printed one slide, but you can also print the thumbnails. It's also a swing component, and you can also choose to print the presentation notes. Today I've also added some more styling. So I've added the subscript, superscript, strike through to the word processor. I've also added the possibility to choose a size font. Now, I've added also the possibility to add the entries to the database. So now you can also remove, edit, and add entries to the database. What more I've done today, I've also now the document are loaded in a separate thread than the swing event dispatch thread. So if you have loading a big document, or if it takes a lot of time to load the document, such as, for example, presentation, it won't stop the Word, it won't stop NetBeans. It's just done in another thread. When it's done parsing the file, reading the file, then it's handled in the AWT event dispatch thread to render it. So here we go. I'm using the kind of a swing worker, if you know what I'm talking about. So with one part that is doing in the background, so in another thread, and when it's done, it's actually in the swing event dispatch thread. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. And I invite you to share this video and to look at the other video. Bye.